Hello my friend, welcome to the other video in the series Did You Know That? And today we'll talk about the difference between train and train. So, let's start. Train versus train. So first meaning train ako vlak. So number of carriages or wagons that are pulled by an engine along a railway line. Čiže je to určitý počet vozňov alebo vagónov, ktoré sú ťahané strojom, čiže lokomotívou, po železnici. Railway line. Passenger train, osobný vlak. Goods train, čiže nejaký vlak, ktorý prepravuje tovary. Freight train, to je tiež nejaký taký dopravný. No a máme tu pekné frázy. To get on a train, nastúpiť do vlaku. Get off a train, vystúpiť z vlaku. She dislikes traveling by train, nerada cestuje vlakom. I need to hurry, I must catch the early train to London. Musím sa poponáhľať, potrebujem chytiť skorý vlak do Londýna. No a ďalší význam slovíčka train je ako trénovať. Sloveso trénovať, train. To teach a person to do something which is difficult or which needs practice. Učím osobu, aby robila niečo, čo je ťažké, alebo čo potrebuje tréning. Čiže trénujem ju. The organization, všimnite si, organization trains guide dogs for the blind. Čiže organizácia trénuje sprievodných psov pre slepcov. There is a shortage of trained teachers. Je tu nedostatok. Shortage. She trained as a pilot and John trained to be an accountant. Čiže ona trénovala za pilotku a John trénoval, že bude účtovník. She trained hard for the race. Makala na preteky. Working in such difficult environment trained her not to give up when the things got difficult. Alright, so these were the differences between train, vlak, and train, trénovať. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.